Elephant Man is not a licensed firearm holder. This, according to the Firearm Licensing Authority.
Teach them! Always make sure the message will reach them!
Dancehall DJ Elephant Man could find himself in legal trouble following a preliminary investigation by the Firearm Licensing Authority, FLA. Head of the Jamaica Consular Forces Corporate Communications Unit, Assistant Superintendent Delia Garrick, is confirming that investigations are underway to determine whether a firearm in a video involving a popular dancehall artist and a woman is real. The video, which surfaced sometime between Sunday and Monday morning, shows a female in a swimsuit swinging and pointing what appears to be a firearm before passing it to the entertainer. According to preliminary findings, the dancehall entertainer is not a licensed firearm holder. So, what if the firearm is licensed to someone else? Well, that question was put to Toni-Ann, the corporate communications representative at the FLA. In responding, Kelly said,
"We have conducted a preliminary investigation into the matter and have found that the entertainer in question is not a licensed firearm holder. FLA only conducts investigations on licensed firearm holders, so regarding the video, it is a police matter. It is a criminal matter."
Kelly further explained that if the artist is licensed to carry a firearm, he would have violated codes of ethics. There is process that persons have to go through in safety and handling of a firearm, she said. Meanwhile, the head of the CCU said that the investigation process is diligent. There are certain steps to be taken before we can confirm or enter anything into evidence. It is a video and we have to confirm a number of things to see if the evidence is sufficient to go before the court, she said. Numerous efforts made to get a comment from Elephant Man or a representative have so far proven futile. Established in 2005, the FLA grants, renews, and revokes firearm licenses in Jamaica. Just last year, the Firearm Licensing Authority advised entertainers to access the necessary information regarding the use of firearms as props in music videos.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.